a privilege, and I take it as an honor to give a small background of where I started and how I started and where we are today. I was pushed into business at an young age of 17 years when my father passed away. I came to Bangalore, started handling tire business. Exactly, I have completed 50 years to this particular day. 50 years of working, it has just gone like a flash to me. I have had the support and good wishes from everybody, and I was motivated to do something, and I was pushed into a leadership position, and I think I have done a decent job of leading the company to where it is. The first alignment machines which came into India, that when I say wheel alignment equipment, it is the first computerized alignment equipment, was imported by Madhus in 1983. We are the first people to bring in this equipment from USA and install it in a tire shop. Other countries, when I went and saw, they had the best of the equipment. So there was a huge difference in technology. There is a big difference there. I said, how do I bring it nearer? How do I bridge them together? That was my main goal. So education. So I went around the entire country, talking to OEMs, talking to truck people, talking to tire people, saying how they could change, how they could improve upon. And this was the vision that I had, and I'm very happy to say I've done quite well in this particular part, and been very happy to say that.
Why should you consider Madhus? You should consider Madhus because one, you now have an entirely different product range from premium like a 15 lakh wheel balancer. We now have a 95,000 rupee wheel balancer as well. We have a 35 lakh tire changer. We also have a tire changer at 85,000 rupees. So we are in a position to provide you the entire range of equipment combined with our customer service. Customer service is like chasing something that is to infinity. We will never reach the perfection goal, but we are always there to learn from our mistakes and improve. I would like to say that the new Madhus is all about trying to be humble, accepting that yes, sometimes we may make a mistake, to put up our hands and say, sir, sorry, we messed up, we delayed the spare part, we delayed the diagnosis, whatever it is, rather than constantly trying to defend ourselves. So this is the new kind of culture of Madhus, where we want to ensure that not only do we sell equipment to you, but the entire experience of owning the equipment is something above par.
Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Manmohan. I had the service for Audi in AP and Telangana. In 2023, when I came into Audi, so that was the time where we had a heavy discussion with them, and then after several negotiations and all other things, we finally got a road force balancer on board. The service levels are excellent. I would say that this level of service I can't expect from any other equipment manufacturer.
Good evening to all. I'm very happy to be here amongst you all. And yesterday we have conducted a meeting here for all the Tata Motors, the dealer fraternity. So Madhus, what we have seen is highly reliable so far as service is concerned, and indeed in terms of supporting to the OEM also, because we have a lot of targets to be achieved so far as commissioning and directing the workshops. So innovative equipments and bringing in the best of the best equipments out of the world, and then doing the good service, reliable products and reliable service. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for this opportunity.